Life could be a dream. Life could be a dream.
First car show.
First car show. First video of 2020 that isn't podcasts or throwbacks.
We're doing it.
This is the Asphalt Angels car show here in Doswell, Virginia at the State Fairgrounds. We're here to visit my grandfather, who's in the car show with his 1957 Ford panel truck.
To be seen soon.
Yep, nice shiny red truck. We'll interview with him, some other vendors.
We don't know it's a red shiny truck yet. We haven't been in there.
Dude, he's had it for like 20 years.
Okay, yeah, you know that.
Anyways, really excited to bring this video to you guys. And
first time car show for me.
First time car show for you. I've been a couple with him.
This is just a test for Hyperfest.
Yes, Hyperfest.
This is a part one
in May.
for Hyperfest.
Shout out, Hyperfest, May.
Yeah.
Let's go inside.
Let's
What's going on, guys? We're at the Asphalt Angels car show in Doswell, Virginia. And this right behind us is the 1957 Ford panel truck owned by my grandfather. As you see here, it's a custom paint job right here, fitted with all sorts of different businesses and cars to people that either family, friends, relatives, distant relatives, through the years that he's had. Through the last like 50, 60, 70 years he's been collecting and his family's been collecting. We've got the original A&W, all original cars, and every single piece that you see on the side of this truck, like I said, is tied to family, kin, or just his hometown. Let's take a look inside.
Life could be a dream. Sweetheart, hello, hello again. Shaboom, and we meet again. Boom, boom, boom.
I got pictures of their cars.
Vehicles and everything?
Yeah, and then I had this guy sketching out, airbrushing all of the orange. And all the buildings, like this first building was my father, he had a truck like this truck was. And when we were boys, and I remember riding it. All the tools and everything in the back. Johnny Gott, that's the Gott company, and that's his car in the garage. And you know about these Caruth guys. You heard about them?
I've heard about the Caruth.
Yeah. So they got their tackle and hunt club here. You got another Linda's Bear Shop over. She's got one over this side. And as Cody knows, I had two other girls that got killed in car accident, Susan and Miranda. And she worked one summer at a sub shop. So we did that kind of in memory of them, with Susan and Miranda's sub shop.
That's awesome.
And my wife has she had this PT Cruiser, and it's in memory of them. We had painted it on the back of there.
On the actual car itself?
See, it kind of went pretty good because they were Pooh and Tigger fans all coming up. And so it says PT Cruiser, that's the name of the car, but it's also Pooh and Tigger's Cruiser. That's the way they kind of painted it in there. And then they painted Pooh and Tigger in there and their favorite flowers and so forth in memory of them. Of course, this was kind of...
And then your tire shop.
Kind of my shop, yeah. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but see, I have this, and I have this on my checks that I write. It's a tire with bushy, but all the other letters around here are the girls, my 5 girls. Barbara, Connie, Tracy, Susan, and Miranda. The guy had painted everything under here red. I mean, these fenders was red. The master cylinder and all of that was red. The windshield wiper was red. The alternator was painted red. It just had too much red under here, So I took
contrast to it.
Yeah, I took these inner fenders out.
Shaboom, life could be a dream. Shaboom, shaboom.
Alright guys, so as I said, we're here at the Asphalt Angels car show in Doswell, Virginia, and we're here with Koen behind the YouTube channel and car, Koen and Cars. So Koen, it's a pleasure having you on the channel. So tell us how you got into this.
So when I was little, I was racing around the track shop in a garage, and that 66 before my grandfather got his 89, which is the race car. If you watch some of my videos, well, can't find it on here. I was gonna look at that. But so because he do car shows all the time, and he wanted to not race that car anymore because it's too nice. So he bought the 89, and we had it ever since, I believe, maybe 2014. We had it for a while. And that Mustang has a 347 stroker, and it's too fast for the drag strip because you need a roll cage. But the 89 is a car that I love dearly, and that Fox body all the way over there is literally my dream car. Same color, same body style, same year. And that's how I got into racing from my grandfather. And my dad loves drag race or cars, and my mom's boyfriend, who owns the Monte Carlo, he loves cars. And I've just been around cars all my life, and that's how I just got into it. And I have a Junior Dragster. We don't know the year. I'm guessing 89. Could be a different year. I got this car in June of last year. I was very slow back then, but for my first race ever, I came runner-up. And that's very good for your first race.
And how old were you when you did that race?
12.
12.
So I started racing when I was 12. And it's just something I enjoy. People say that you don't get addicted to racing, you get addicted to it very fast. So if you watch Street Outlaws, they say it's like a drug. You get addicted to it, and I totally agree. It's like a drug. You get addicted to it very fast.
You're 13 years old and addicted to racing already. That's awesome.
I've been addicted to racing.
Now, how many races have you done?
Including testing tubes, 3.
3? Okay.
Yeah.
And how many do you... So how many can you do a year if you're really into it? So now you still got school and stuff. Now do you do them any over the
I
summer?
don't have school. I'm homeschooled.
Oh, so it makes it even easier for you.
Yeah. I can go to Dinwiddie whenever they have it, or Maryland. It's awesome. So it starts from March and goes all the way to November. So that's a good, I'm terrible at math, so I'm guessing 5 or 6 months of racing. That's a good 5 or 6 months of racing. And the R8 list, that is something that I started racing. I did my first shootout, or not like a testing tune to get used to it. And then I did the shootout, and that's how I met my friend Jordan. And she doesn't have her Junior Jackson here. She has her shit, something, I don't know what it is. That's how I met her, through drag racing. And I know a lot of kids who loves drag racing. And my grandfather, when he was in the military, he used to drag race all the time. And that's how I get used to it, and it's so much fun. And if any of y'all are afraid to do something, don't be afraid. Conquer your dreams. This is the life dream and goal, and I conquered it. You need to do that, and then if you're good at it, that's how you can make your life goal.
Koen, it's a pleasure having you. And one more time, tell them your YouTube channel so we can get you
Koen Cars. And check me out on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. So just look up Koen Cars. And
how many subscribers do you have?
Last time I checked was 308, and all my views combined was 15,000.
Got more than us, so you must be doing something right. So
I started in 2018, so I'm doing something right, and I don't know what I'm doing.
Well, we've been doing YouTube for about 4.5 years and only have 139, so you got us beat by a lot. So.
I'll definitely shout you out in this video.
We'll definitely do the same. So, Koen, Sam, you, buddy.